What's up, everybody? Welcome to WNR channel.
Ah,
Today we're gonna react to this amazing video of Justin with Kylie Gunn. So let's get started and see what's actually happening. The third wheel love.
1Z. Pakinggan, dude.
Yes! Finally! Makapag-vacation na rin tayo. Kailangan natin ito eh.
Oh.
I love the filter, Wahyo.
I love the car. That,
The car? Oh,
yeah, that's my.
Your favorite car.
Pakinggan na rin tayo. So,
Tagal niyo ah.
ito na po
I
yung
think
mga
it's
pinabili
highlights.
niyo, ma'am. Oo. Dami mo kasi pinabili.
Oo, unti lang kaya yan.
Oh,
Dami-dami. Pero, alam mo, kaya ako na nakasama.
Oh.
oh,
Talaga?
Oo naman, a break from the hustle, even just for a night with you.
oh.
The both of you.
Yes, both of you.
Justin was like,
Both of you.
yeah, why she giving out that strong friend zone aura? You know?
Tama ah.
Ano ba?
Alright. Snacks check. Drinks check. More drinks. Check. Playlist. Double check. May nakalimutan ba tayo? Ako?
You? What?
O ano, magtititigan na lang ba tayo dito? Tara na. Sige. Oh, ikaw mag-drive?
Why she said you?
See, Justin to
In-
her to him.
That's
Oh, I had this. In Indonesia we call it cinta bertepuk sebelah tangan. Heart, love, clap, left-handed.
Pa, I got you. Alright.
Dito na lang tayo. Parang ayaw mo naman eh.
Oh!
Let's go, road.
It's a Ford Ranger. Damn. Wow. And we had.
Oh. Girl. Oh. Oh.
That's so true.
They
What
really love each other, or just
She loved Justin as a friend, but
oh,
she
you think
loved
so?
him as a
Okay.
partner. Oh.
Ang tanong ngayon ay bakit
Karena langsung berubah ya.
kumapit kung walang ibig sabihin ba't ganyan
Yes.
ang iyong tingin di na maalis sa isipan ko lahat ng
See?
gabi-gabi ka
Oh.
I love the energy of the songs, the fact that they give, the lyric and the scenery that we got. Damn.
sabihin kung ano ang sinasabi ng mga mata mo.
Your eyes are saying yes. Justin. Oh, they match their outfit.
Oh yeah.
Your eyes are saying.
It's
Justin.
yeah, it's like if you don't like him, don't give the sign that you like him. Because once he confronts you and say I love you and say you don't we're just friends, it break the heart most, guys.
Oh.
Pag ganito, para bang may tinatago ang kaibigan ko na napabago. Pag ako'y
I don't.
parang bawat salita ay hinihimik sa pag-ihip ng hangin.
Where are they going? Oh, to the beach? Island Beach. Say it, girl. Come on.
Don't say that.
Wow.
What do you think about what? If I confess to, and Justin was like,
Okay.
you know what I
yeah.
mean, right?
Best friend forever. Oh,
Oh,
okay.
this.
This part. Okay, girl, you better say it, girl.
Yeah.
Sabi mo sa akin noon, sakyan ko lang yung bawat araw.
Mm-mm.
Kahit gano'n pa kataas,
Period.
gano'n pa kalakas, sumakay lang ako.
Yeah.
Kaya dito ka inanag kung nasan tayo ngayon.
Alam mo, sobrang saya kasi nakatakas tayo sa mga problema natin, sa mga responsibilidad sa buhay. Pero ang pinakamasaya ay kasama ko kayo.
You guys. What's
Pwede
wrong?
lang. Dito na lang tayo.
You know how broken I could get. And you've always been there for me.
That's what friends are for.
Sa bawat paglubog at paglitaw ng araw. Sabihin mo lang sa akin, gusto mo pumunta sa malayo. Samahan kita.
Oh. Why she's crying?
I don't know.
Okay ka lang?
She like
Na-realize ko lang na dapat na akong magpakatotoo na talaga. Kasi
mm-mm.
ang hirap na magtago eh.
Oh, yeah, say it, girl. Come on.
Hindi mo naman
Tell him,
kailangan.
girl. Oh.
Dito lang ako.
Natatakot ako baka may magbago.
Yes.
Paano kung alam ko naman na talaga yung totoo?
So Justin already know
That
Who's-
yeah.
she likes. This is why best friends stay best friend, right?
Yeah.
It's hard once you fall in love because from the bestie you become a stranger,
Yeah.
guys, in an instant.
Oh.
Pangako walang magbabago.
Oh, kaibigan ko.
Oh my.
Oh, kaibigan ko. Sabihin mo, bakit ganito? Oh, kaibigan ko. Sabihin mo.
So they already dating
Yeah. Right.
behind Justin.
She's just afraid to telling the truth, yeah, Wahyu. To Justin. Oh my god. Cause she knew Justin loves her, guys.
And Justin always be there for her.
That's what friends are for.
To be used. To be backstab.
Oh, wow.
Real friends tap you in the front.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so sad.
Oh. They left Justin?
Can we?
This
Is she crying?
Is he crying?
Can we? Okay. Yes.
He's wow. How can he?
Oh my God.
Justin.
Okay, this is not real. This is not
Yeah,
real.
but
wow,
but you remember the
damn.
like Elo performance, right? When
Yeah,
Josh
I know.
sing his part like he
Yeah.
cried.
And this
Shuriel.
oh, this is the continuation.
No, before he cannot cope up with the reality, so he escaped.
Oh my God. I can.
So he cannot accept what happening. That's why the song's title is Shuriel,
Yeah.
because it's not real.
Yeah. Okay, this is so.
Now, when I heard the songs, Shuriel, it will be hurt more. I will never I will never listen to Shuriel
Yeah.
the same the same the same again.
Oh wow.
That just now we had slowly under the sunlight. We held each other hand, oh so tight, and I could feel it. It was real, so real.
So real nggak sih?
I
This
think
is so real nggak
that's
sih?
slang. You want to play a word like, I know it's real, but it's still real but it's not real. Justin, bro, yeah.
Wow, the concept. Why
Oh
you?
wow, I just got the goosebumps, guys.
Wow.
Dang.
Okay, this is not real. Don't. Mm-mm. Yeah, but wow, wow, the storyline.
I have no word.
Wow.
I have no word.
Yes.
By the
Stand
way,
to speak.
yeah.
We have 0 words.
By the way, guys,
Speechless.
this is the Russian video.
Wow.
Bye bye, Justin.